Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pay freelancers with PayPal. I just tap on my Safari browser and log into my PayPal account. And can I pay a freelancer with PayPal? PayPal is accepted and relied on by many top freelance marketplaces where you can easily find jobs and get paid from all around the world. So yes, PayPal accept the freelancers paid. What kind of PayPal account do I need for freelancing? PayPal personal account. A PayPal personal account could be an option for freelancers who only occasionally sell goods or services, but the changes and chances are that if your transaction for your business more often, you will need to upgrade to a merchant account to pay freelancers. So you will create a merchant account. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.